Now, let me explain what to do if the AI feature in CapCut isn't working or displaying properly on your device. Follow these steps carefully to resolve the issue. It says, "Not available in your region." Now, let's discuss how to fix this error on your phone step by step, as you can see. First, let me tell you that it's almost always not a bug in your phone. Instead, it's often a regional limitation issue. It's often a limitation of CapCut itself, or your account, which is usually the case in these situations, as you can see here. It's important to note that this issue is due to regional restrictions, as indicated by the error message displayed. As you can see here, if it's unavailable in your region, the first thing you should do is update. You need to update CapCut. So go ahead and exit your CapCut app on your device, as you can see. Now that you have opened CapCut and updated everything, as you can see, let's proceed to check if it's working properly. To update CapCut, simply exit the app, then open Google, and search for the latest version to download and install. Start by searching to download CapCut, not just to update, as you can see here. This will help resolve your issue effectively. Simply open the Play Store, and as you can see here, type in Download CapCut to get the latest version easily. Just automatically update it because you deleted it and now need to reinstall it for proper use. You can either download or simply get the latest version of CapCut, which is essential for optimal performance, as you can see here. You can try logging out and then logging back into your account, as you can see here right now. There's a button to log out, and then you log back into CapCut. Yes, you've successfully logged in again. If you tried that and the error persists, then carefully switch your Wi-Fi connection to see if that resolves it. Here you have Wi-Fi available, right? Or do you have mobile data? You just need to check your connection settings. You can simply change your Wi-Fi by turning off your router and then turning it back on, as you can see here. Just enable it, and it will simply restart, or you can refresh a few times. Check your internet connection on your phone, or simply connect using mobile data, just like I did. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate your time, and I wish everyone good luck. Until next time, goodbye.